We're going to install the grate assembly and the system profiles now. The grate frame fits into the channel body with thinset. You'll find height adjustment spacers that fit underneath the tabs that adjust the height so you can get flush with the tile on the tray. Also, some frame spacers that keep the width consistent across the entire length of the frame during the tile setting process. We also have a profile that's going to fit against the back wall. This is brushed stainless steel with a channel, so this part slides in and out. We're going to set that at the width we need to fit in underneath our first course of wall tile. Now you can see that there's Grate applied to the back. That's going to give us some mechanical fastening when we bond this with thinset. Then on the side, we're going to use this profile. You can see brushed stainless steel, tapered metal profile that fits along the side of the tile and gives us a nice clean finish where the floor tile remains on plane and the tray, of course, is sloping towards the drain. You'll see that this fits in a channel, and there's anchoring legs on here to affix it to the floor inside the tray. So that's what we're going to do now.
We selected the shower profile R according to the height of the wall area to be covered. Measure for the required length and height. Adjust the profile to achieve the desired height and cut the profile to length. We cut the stainless steel profile using the Schluter ProCut TSM cutting wheel on an angle grinder set to low speed. We selected the shower profile S tapered profile according to the thickness of the tile. Measure for the required length and height of the profile. Snip the U-shaped support profile to length and cut the tapered section of the profile. To install the shower profile R, apply a sufficient amount of thinset mortar to the fleece fabric on the back of the profile and set the profile into place. Make sure it is flush with the tiles. Wipe away any excess setting material immediately. Next, we will install the grate frame. The grate frame is set in conjunction with the surrounding tiles. Apply unmodified thinset mortar to the back and sides of the underside of the grate frame and place it into the channel body. Insert the height adjustment spacers and adjust to the height of the tile by simply turning the bolts by hand. Insert the foam spacers into the grate frame to reinforce it during the remainder of the installation. Fill the front side of the grate frame with thinset mortar. Full coverage of thinset mortar under the grate frame is essential. Apply thinset mortar to the area where the shower profile S is to be installed. Place the tapered section of the profile into the U-shaped support section and butter the back of the profile with thinset mortar. Install the profile, aligning it flush with the floor tile. Immediately clean any setting material away from the face of the profile. We repeat the process at the wall, this time making sure the profile is flush with the wall tile. Install the tile onto the shower tray. Make sure to use an appropriate notch trowel for the sides of the tile and back butter the tile as needed to achieve full coverage. We installed a Dialex profile at the transition from the floor to the shower to accommodate any potential movement.